Coach, congratulations. Another victory against Sekhukhune United with the same scoreline.
Yeah, normally we must compliment the boys. I think they are working very hard. It's very important. At times, as coaches, we try to provide extra motivation and put new objectives to them. But sometimes when players know they have won the championship, they may not give you what you want. But our boys have really worked very hard. Though sometimes I felt we're dropping intensity and we're a little more relaxed towards the last 15 minutes of first half. I was not very happy, and again, the last 15 minutes of the second half were not at the level that I would have loved. But the truth is, they worked very hard. They worked like a team that really wanted to win the match, and they worked smart sometimes, and we must compliment that. Very good counter-pressing moments, and a very good goal by Zeda from a very good build-up, I must say, where Mshishi had a role to play, where Gaston had a role to play, and Peter had a role to play in that goal in terms of moving the defenders out of their proper positions, and at the right moment we found the pass to Zeda, who took a very good goal.
You spoke about meeting some of those targets earlier in the match. You are now on 61 points. Peter Shalulile now on 22 goals.
And I just pray and wish that Peter can go beyond that 25 mark. I was feeling very bad because I thought there was one incident where I thought maybe it was a penalty or a free kick where he was fouled and he took a shot, because I just want him to continue scoring. He deserves everything that comes his way. He works very hard and he gives our team a lot of momentum, both offensively and defensively, and that is what a lot of people are not aware of, that he really plays a very significant role in our first line of defense with his high pressing and the counter pressing against the goalkeepers as well.
9 potential points available now against Chiefs, Stellies and Royal AM.
Did not hear you.
9 potential points now remaining.
I did not hear at all.
9 potential points remaining in the rest of the season.
We would love to take all 9 of them, because that will bring us closer to what we want to achieve. We want anything better now than the 67 points that we got last year. And if we can achieve that, we will be very happy.
Thank you so much, Coach. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.